come on over, let's pick up where we left off.
So welcome to another beautiful day in Europe, in Germany to be precise. So today I want to show you how you can use a 49 euro ticket to move around Germany. I'm currently heading to Bremen. I just arrived from Hanover. I want to show you a little bit of how Bremen looks like and how I get to use the 49 euro ticket to move around. It's quite easy, guys, and very, very affordable. You can use it when you visit Germany to visit different cities. Hey guys, welcome to the beautiful city of Bremen in Germany. So I'm here to explore the beautiful city of Bremen. I hope you're all doing well. You're all subscribed, so make sure you stay tuned and let's explore this beautiful city together. The weather was so good in Bremen. I know I'm wearing a jacket, but for me it was a little bit chilly. The sun was out when we got here. Even my sister wanted to change her jacket. I really loved this place. It looks more quiet and clean. I was not here to spend like the whole day, but just, you know, to use my 49 euro ticket. So in case you find yourself in Germany, I would really recommend to get a 49 euro ticket, because you can move around any city in Germany at affordable price, which is 49 euro. I know sometimes it can be hectic, especially if you're visiting cities that are quite far from the city that you are. You have to change trains, but if you want to save money, because in Europe it's very hard to use taxis. The reason we chose to visit Bremen is because Bremen is very close to Hanover. I think it was like an hour or two with the train. So I was here to visit a place called Bremer House. Anyway, German words are very difficult, but we came across this place and I really loved it. I saw so many tourists who are here, so we chilled out here for some time watching I think it's something to do with I think port or something, which was quite nice. The Klimahaus Bremenhaven is like a museum which you can get to learn about some history of different cultures. They have some interesting things which personally, to be honest, I really loved. I wouldn't even know that this place exists in this area. As you can see, it was quite interesting to just, you know, play around with this map. After that, we headed back to the train station to go back to Hanover. I think I didn't like show you much of this area because we were not in the center of, you know, Bremen. Yeah, so probably next time I'll visit.
The next day.
Today is another exciting day as I'm headed to one of the famous cities here in Germany, Hamburg. Still using my 49 euro ticket. Yes, saving those coins, guys, so better get yourself one. I'm finally in Hamburg. Say hi. Hi. I'm currently in Hamburg. I'm going to explore Hamburg today. This is my OOTD for today. It's summer, it's 30 degrees here, so we are not wearing anything heavy. This is they call it Bahnhof train station. I came all the way from Hanover and yeah, I'm here to explore. This is like a speed train and this one is like a normal train. So I use this one, but next time I will try this one. This one looks so cool. This is the train station from this angle. This is how it looks outside. One thing thing I noticed once I got to Hamburg is the city is quite huge, a little bit busy compared to other cities that I've been to, but still fine. I really liked it. So we had to take another train that will take us to the town center where I was supposed to visit this place that you will see next on the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
I spent like 20 minutes at this place. There were so many people, as you could see before. I think most of them were students who were here to learn about something to do with their history, which was quite nice. As you can see, the architecture is very beautiful. I really love most of the buildings here in Europe. And yeah, we decided to just walk because there was another place I was supposed to go to. But first, let's just admire this center. It's quite huge. Like I said before, Hamburg is a very big city with so many tourists. Especially I saw so many people who I knew for sure they were not from here. So we visited this mall because I wanted to get something to eat. We had our lunch here. After having lunch, we decided to take a walk around this neighborhood, but we had to take a train to the place that I wanted to visit, which was on the other side. Not far, but you know, I didn't want to walk that much because it was very sunny, and again, I have the 49 euro ticket, so I can still use it, guys. That's why I said you can take advantage of this ticket, guys. You can clearly use it anywhere you are, at any train, except the train that I showed you before, the speed train. You can't use the ticket, but rather than that, if you have the 49 euro ticket, you can use it at any station that you are in Germany. So we are now going to yeah, we are going to this place. I'm in Hamburg, like I told you. So this is how it looks. So I'm just exploring different places.
I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
You can come here, chill around, watching people cruising around this area. As you can see, I'm not a fan of, cruise ship being on the water. I have a phobia of water. It's not like my thing that, that will excite me. I will do it anyway, but on this day, I was not in the mood. But yeah, I was quite excited to just chill around here, watch the beautiful 360 view of the beautiful city of Hamburg, which is a nice experience. So in case you visit Hamburg, I would really recommend for you to visit this place. Actually, if you just go on Google and search places to visit in Hamburg, this will be the first place that will pop up on your Google search. After exploring that place, I went back to the city center where we were supposed to take our train back to Hanover. But first, we decided to explore this place. My phone was out of battery, so I didn't get to, record a lot of things while I was here. But I know with whatever I've shared, it's enough for you to know that if you have a 49 euro ticket, you can explore so many places here in Germany. So I hope you enjoy with me.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you.
So I'm just going around. This is a church here. It's 5 p.m. in the evening and I am back at the train station heading back home. I didn't get to vlog much while I was here because I was trying to utilize my phone battery. But guys, this train station is quite huge. Let me just say, if I try to compare it with Berlin, I feel like Hamburg train station is quite huge and it looks a little bit old. I was told it's one of the oldest train station here in Germany, and like you can see, everyone is on the move. The whole time that I was here in Germany, I realized that people always carry their bags. People are always in the move. Where they are going, I don't know. And at the same time, I was still using my 49 euro ticket to get back. So that's why I was saying, I keep insisting that you can explore Germany, like the whole of Germany, but you have to be patient when you are using the 49 euro ticket. It's not that easy with it. You will miss trains sometimes. It can be a little bit slow for you compared to the other train that I showed you. But at the end of the day, if you want to save, then you can use this package of 49 euro ticket. I was supposed to go on a bicycle ride with my niece. I had promised her that we will do this today, which was quite nice, and she was so happy because she wanted to show me her neighborhood, how it looks like. So we went around for maybe like 30 minutes, and then after that we came back home. Actually guys, it was like I think 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. here, and this is how it looks. Summer in Europe, the sun doesn't go down quite early, which to me I find it to be quite interesting and very nice at the same time, because you can do a lot of things because you have the long day. This was another day that I was heading to Münster to explore another city here in Germany. One of the culture shocks that surprised me is people can use or can take their bicycle inside the train. Like, that's quite strange because we don't do that in Qatar. Anyway, from the train, we took a bus because we were heading to meet one of our family. So I didn't vlog that. After that, we were supposed to go to another city. Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful day in Münster, Germany. I'm at the supermarket at the moment. Buying something. I'm in one of the famous supermarket like Carrefour. It's called Aldi. Let me show you. That's the name. So it's one of the famous supermarket here where you can buy grocery. You don't have Carrefour here, right? There's no Carrefour in Germany. I didn't see any Carrefour. They have something called Aldi and Rossmann. I'm visiting Münster for maybe a few hours and then go back to Hanover. In Münster, this is how the houses look like. To get the 49 euro ticket, make sure you go on your app store and then download an app called DB Navigator. From there, it will give you the instruction on how you can get the euro ticket. So each time when you get to the train station, there was sometimes someone will just come to scan and check if you have a ticket. So they can just come, you will show them your phone and then they will scan it. It's quite easy, guys, and it's up.
Neue Leute aus wo? Ich weiß nicht.
This was another city that I was visiting on the same day that I visited Münster. Am I pronouncing that word correct? Anyway, yeah, so I visited this city also. And I can't pronounce the name of the city, so don't come at me on the comment section. German words are very difficult. So far you can see how much I got to experience different cities in Germany using the 49 euro ticket. Almost 4 cities. I also went to Berlin, which was quite far from where I was, but I still used the 49 euro ticket. It was also a nice thing to experience the Autobahn in Germany, where you can drive at a speed of, I think, from 200 kilometers per hour. It was quite nice. And yeah, on this video I just wanted to show you the experience I had using the 49 euro ticket in Germany, where you can travel to different city depending on where you are, like the city that you are. You can save a lot to go to different city. You have to be very patient with this ticket because sometimes it can be overwhelming, especially when you miss your trains. It's so frustrating. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and bye. My success, they disturb you, go to go. Alright, alright.